Behind me is a county line 25-ton gas-powered log splitter that we purchased from Tractor Supply earlier this year. It replaced the 20-something-year-old yard machines that ultimately failed only after 20-something years. So I wanted something that was going to be reliable. This comes with a Kohler motor, which I've always had good luck with. The service points are really simple to access, and we burn about 10 cord of firewood here on the farm every year. So I need something that's going to be robust and will be sturdy and hopefully have some longevity. So we'll just take a few minutes and take you through the operation and how well it's worked for us, and hopefully this will be helpful for you. So if you haven't already had a chance to, please hit subscribe to the channel, like and comment down below anything that you'd like to add.
We'll do that tomorrow.
So we'll flip that up. Put the foot down. Basically, you pretty much fill it till it comes out. Okay, just fill it till it comes out. It probably will take most of that. Because the high is all the way at the cap. So just put oil in it till it oozes out the top. Hold it.
Yeah, it's oozing out the top.
Still good enough to plug in. So after we finished up the season, just a couple of things that I noticed that I don't particularly care for, but it's not a showstopper for us. This whole area right here really traps a lot of debris. So when you're splitting, a lot of the bark and wood pieces will get jammed in here. And additionally, when the return cycle, you've got this part right here of the wedge that will push debris back this way. And so sometimes you get stuff piled up underneath here. Other than that, it starts exceptionally well, runs well. I have not had any difficulty using it. It does tip up so that you can do big stumps. So you can just release it, and then it goes up, and the release is over here. And so it stands in the upright position. I did tie wrap up the hydraulic cables so they wouldn't drag on the ground. There's not a lot of clearance. There's really only about my hand, 4 inches maximum. So you really have to be careful hauling this around, particularly down in the woods, to use it. The foot's really easy to retract. It's got a spring on it. You kick down here, and then the stand comes up. Standard 2-inch ball hitch. Very operator friendly, and it's worked out well for us so far. And so this is 10 cord of wood into it this year, is what we've used it for. It's been hauled all around the farm and used on all kinds of different woods.
Hopefully this video has been beneficial to you. We appreciate you watching and all your support. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.